In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to add your artwork onto the mockups. So to start, we are going to double click on the thumbnail for the Your Design layer, not on the title, but on the thumbnail here. And this opened up a new window, the design window. This is what's called a smart object in Photoshop. So we're going to turn on the placement guide. We're going to hide the existing example design. You can drag and drop your artwork on here, or you can go to File, Place Embedded, select your design. Let's position that where we want it to be, hit enter. Before we leave the design window, we want to make sure to turn off the placement guide, and then Command or Control S or File, Save. We're going to close this, and there you go. Your artwork is on your mockup. You can customize this a little bit more if you want to. So we can expand the effects folder, select the design texture layer. What this does, if you look over here at the design, when I turn off the design texture, now it's just the artwork without any of the fabric texture, creases, or folds in there. So we want this to be on. It adds a lot to the photorealism. But depending upon the design and the garment, you may want to increase or decrease the effect of this. So you're going to select the design texture, make sure that this layer is selected, and then come up here to opacity. So let's take the opacity from 50% up to 80%. See, that added a lot more of the fabric texture on there, but probably too much. It looks a little bit washed out. If you have a particularly bright and colorful design, you may want to drop this down to something much lower, like 20%. I think for this artwork on this garment, 50% is probably the right opacity, but you can modify this and find what works best for you and your artwork.